Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gruvgear Guitar. We have Wednesday, Wish Wednesday. We love that. And we have a cool song here from Parker Jack. It's called Misinforming. It's you, just me, and my thoughts you wish for this song. So welcome to this channel. Thank you for being here. I just want to mention before we move on with this tutorial, I have a secondary YouTube channel and I really need your help, guys. I just started that one and it's called Gruvgear Guitar 6 Strings Ago. If you want to be a member there, please go and do that. Subscribe to that channel and you will learn a song from A to Z, from the beginning till the very end with all chords shown. Play along. You can just learn a full song right there. So go and check out Gruvgear Guitar 6 Strings Ago. Thank you very much. Now, let's go into this one. We have a capo set on first fret. That's the absolute best scenario. With that, we have a couple chords. We have a main pattern, which is about melody. We're going to come to that. First, we need to learn the chords. So let's start with the E minor first. That goes open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. We have next D. That goes open D, second G, third B, and second E. We have C as well. Third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. A minor. Open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. And finally, we have the B, which is a bar chord. You place the index finger on the second fret. You push down 5 strings if you count from bottom, not like this, on the second fret. And then you need to add 4th D, 4th G, and 4th B. What you can do as well is to go with a second bar in front on that 4th fret and push down the D, G, and B string, maybe all the way down. If you do that, then stay away from the last E string when it comes to the strumming and the downstrokes. Okay, so there you have the chords needed. Now, let's go into the main pattern first. We're gonna use picking pattern or style now from the E minor, the G, and the D chord. And G, yes, you didn't learn that because you don't have to. We're just gonna pick 2 notes from the chord. You don't need to hold the full chord, that's the reason. So, starting with E minor, you're gonna alternate the 2 notes, and those notes are open E string in the bass and open G. So 1 round is 2 notes. Okay? And you're gonna play 8 rounds of that, so goes pretty fast, but I think you're gonna learn to alternate these 2 notes easily and quickly. See, so that is the E minor pattern, open E and open G. Next is the G pattern, and now you're gonna play the 3rd fret E string in the bass and alternate that with the open B string. So that is 1 round. You're gonna play that for 8 rounds as well. So and then you have the final D-based pattern, and it's at this position, all right? So it's a 5th A, and alternate that with the 4th D. So that is 1 round, and that is twice as long, so 16 rounds of that. And speaking on the amounts of rounds, I don't think you have the time to count. It will be too much action going on in your brain. You just have to learn and feel your way through here, okay? So E minor 8, G 8, 16 of the D goes like this. And then a new round. I didn't count once. I just felt when it's time to switch the chords, and that's what you have to do as well with practice. Now, this is the main thing going on here. Then in the end, we have an outro. Starts about 2 minutes and 37 seconds in. Now is where you need to use the full chords we just learned. So you have two options here. You're going to play 3 rounds of the same chord progression. It's the E minor, to D, to C, to A minor, and to B. You can do that in 2 different ways. Either you go 1 down per chord with pauses in between, but then you need to know how long will the pauses be. So therefore, we're going to start from the other alternative and do that with amounts of downs, okay? So you're going to play 6 downs on E minor, then 2 downs on D, then 8 downs on C, then 8 downs on A minor, and 8 downs on the B. So that is what you're going to do for 3 rounds, or just 1 down per chord. And that 1 down, now you know the timing because you know the amounts of downs you're going to play. So E minor 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, D, 2, C, 5, 6, 7, 8, A minor, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and B, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so that is what you're gonna do: 1 down per chord, or the E minor 6, D2, C8, A minor 8, and B8. 3 rounds of that till the very end, and that's it, my friends, and especially you. Just Me and My Thoughts. You wish for a song, cool one, never heard before. Parker Jack, Misinforming. That was special for you. So I hope you enjoyed this, and thank you for being here on this channel, Growing Guitar and wishing songs. I love that to yeah, just help you out if you want to learn a song for your own sake or just play for another one. It's up to you, but yeah, thank you for being here, guys. Continue to wish. Perhaps it's your song next time. And don't forget to check out my secondary YouTube channel. It is Growing Guitar 6 Strings Ago. I need your help, guys, so be there. Hope to see you soon. Play soon.